Good morning. Hello, everyone. So I am just going to show you my skincare routine. This would be morning. And actually today I'm going to use an exfoliator that I really like. It's called Cure. It looks like this. I get it on Amazon and it's lasted me a long time. So anyway, the first thing I do, and I do this about twice a week, just so you know, and you're gonna be amazed when it gets off of your face. So I just put a little bit in my hand, as you can see, and then I just kind of smooth it on my skin real gently. We go a little bit under my chin, all over my cheeks, my forehead, and you don't need a ton. You just want to put like a light layer over your entire face. Make sure you get it in your nose and under your nose. You'll be amazed at all of the dead skin that comes off. It's crazy. And this is kind of messy. I don't usually do it in my living room, but for the purpose of showing you guys, I am. Okay, so you kind of let it sit for like 60 seconds or so. And it's, just so you know, it's like a kind of like a liquid, or almost, it's like a serum almost, but it's, what it does is it gets all of the dead skin off. And so once you leave it on for a few minutes, it'll kind of get white. I don't know if you can tell. And then you just start gently rubbing your skin. I do circular motions, and you can see I'm doing it very gently. You see those little balls appearing on my chin? Those are all of the dead skin, which is just insane. I was amazed when I first saw this, and then I used it and I was like, what? And like, we get dry skin in our eyebrows, so rubbing your eyebrows is a really good idea. So just rub it in circular motions, and then as you can see, you see all these little white balls I have all over my face? That's all of the dry skin that it took off. So now when I go to apply my makeup, actually, I'm gonna do the rest of my skincare routine too. So you guys, after you exfoliate like this, it's really good to get all of your serums and moisturizers on, because your skin is just ready to accept those. So, that's what that does. You see all that? Is that amazing or what? So right now I'm gonna go rinse this off, and then I will come back and do the rest of my skincare routine. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and all I did was I went and rinsed my face and got all of the dead skin off, and so I haven't done anything else. I'm gonna show you the rest of my skincare routine. I did wanna tell you that I usually do that exfoliating process with the Cure right before I'm gonna get in the shower, because it's just easier to get off. It's kind of a pain. All of that little extra skin is not the easiest to get off. So if you do it right before you get in the shower, then you can just rinse it all off and it's easier. So I'm really loving that and wanted to show that to you. Okay, so the next part of my routine is, and I just started this for the month of April. So before this, I was using like CeraVe, just cleanser for my face. And then I use a CeraVe serum. I still use it. It's the vitamin C serum. And I really love that. But I decided to try the Saint products. I have been using Saint's milk cream, which is their moisturizer, for about, it's been more than a month. I've used a whole container of it so far, and I really like it. I feel like I get less breakouts and things like that. So let's start just with the cleanser. It comes in a spray bottle. I actually spray it on my fingers like this. I spray about 3 sprays, and then I'm just gonna gently go all over my face. Make sure I get everything. And it almost feels like a lotion when you put it on. It has a nice smell. It's light. A lot of people would like it to not have a fragrance, but the reason it does is because I think it has something to do with the smell of the lactic acid in it, I believe, is not the best smelling. And so they put a fragrance in it to kind of mask that smell. So anyway, okay, so the other thing I use are these. This is called a makeup eraser, and I love them. One side is for like cleansing your face, and then the other side is more of an exfoliating side. I've been using these for, I don't know, I got these back when I lived in Kansas City. So, and then I just go over my entire face. So the cleanser I just started using at the beginning of April, so I will do a follow-up at the end of April, okay, or at the beginning of May maybe. Okay, so now I've cleansed my face, and then the second step is the Saint toner, and I just started using this, and I really like it too. I haven't had any issues yet, and I've been using it since the beginning of April. So all right, so this also comes in a spray, so you just, and so I just spray my face like this. You can, if you want to like use like a cotton swab or something, to kind of rub it onto your face that way if you like. But I just spray it, and I really like it. And it also has a really light fragrance too. I'm not much of a fragrance girl, so it doesn't bother me, and I'm pretty particular, so I don't know. It smells good to me. And then the last thing I'm gonna do today is use my Saint cream, and I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial after this, so I'm just getting my face all prepped for that. And I don't do this like every single time, but I wanted to show you guys my skincare routine, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so this is the cream. It has the coolest pump. I love this. I hadn't seen these until I used this, and I really like it. So you just take this little white part and you push it, and it pumps up the like the best amount for your face. So then I just take that and I rub it all over my face. And voila, that's it. So if you're interested in trying the Saint skincare line, I am liking it so far. I'll update you again in May, but so far so good. I know I love the cream. I did switch out my old CeraVe moisturizer that I was using and traded it in for this. Sometimes I do apply, or usually in the evenings when I'm going to bed, I put this CeraVe serum on right before the cream. So I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, always feel free to ask me. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.